you so much, Sanjana, for reminding. Yes, so Kya Kare, Kya Na Kare, this song, if you have to connect to parenting to yourself, what are the thoughts that comes to you? And also, I chose this song because what do we do today? Um, as discussed last week, a lot of reflection was happening. So I said I'll come with a blank slide and you guys tell me the topic that we can discuss today. Everybody is very quiet.
I thought of having some revision of some old topics, but I forgot to give the topics. I got busy and later after that I did nothing came to my mind. I didn't choose the
Okay.
topics.
Okay,
Okay.
no problem.
Okay. Maybe we can visit the giving carrot thing for kids using the not using the carrot.
Mm-hmm.
So that we wanted to reflect on that.
You
So
wanted to
we
reflect
have
on that. Okay.
thought a lot about it, but not able to do what we feel
Okay. Okay.
due to either work thing or stressful thing. We'll just let's make her watch TV. Give
Hmm.
up. Okay, she's telling if you put TV only then I'll eat. Okay, we can't do anything. We don't have much time.
Hmm.
In this time we have to do. So
Hmm.
we'll just giving it.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
Okay.
that will become a habit for her also. If you put it then I'll eat kind of. So
Hmm. Hmm.
that's
Hmm.
one thing.
Yeah.
Anybody
Yeah.
has anything else, they can also add.
How about others? Hi, Ranjini.
I,
Issues logging in, is it?
yeah, some issue.
Hmm. Your thing says above still.
I'm renaming.
Yes. Yes. How about others? What topic? What thoughts about the song?
Okay, we remove the curtain, so it is.
Mm-hmm.
So for me, with respect to the song, it's not just parenting. I guess it will be there at every step of life. Whether I choose this path, whether I choose that path, the dilemma, or what happens if I choose something, what people will say around me. So those things would be prevalent in all the decisions that we take, I believe.
Mm-hmm. We played Kya Kare Na Kya Na Kare Ranjani from Rangila. So we just. Okay.
My situation was yesterday like that. Kya kare, kya na kare. Yesterday in the shopping mall, long hours of choosing clothes. I was getting. Then one light burst came from Hasini to her. She gave to her mom. She was stealing all the things. ದಪ್ಪ ಇದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತೆ ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಹೋದ ಸರಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ತಗೋ.
Okay.
Straight cut through, which I was not able to do.
Wonderful, isn't it?
Okay.
One thing we think a lot with kids, like what to do, what not to do. We get into too much of like to deciding like what will be good or what will be not good, and sometimes like they'll be doing too much tantrum, so we'll not confused what to do and what not to do. Will this work or will that work? So that confusion will always be there between the options, like should I do, should I not do? If I do this, what will be the implications of? So that will be there.
Yeah.
So in terms of topics, I was thinking if any of us have any problem statements we can come up with, we can together as a group can have a grooming or a brainstorming kind of a session.
Yeah, sure. Okay, so I was thinking with regarding to this song, एक तरफ उससे प्यार करे और उसी से कहने से डरे. So we all love our children, and probably it's so difficult for us to share with them, probably honest with them or include them in bringing them. So I was thinking that regarding parenting. And I was also thinking, koi to bata de iska hal. I don't think anybody has any solution for your parenting journey. You figure out your own way. You and your child figure out the own way. And when this rose hum sochte hain yahi, I was thinking it was more of telling myself, okay, uh, तो ऐसे बोलेंगे, I mean, I not do this, I will change this. Like we keep reflecting and we keep correcting ourselves and we keep thinking, okay, maybe I have to change this in my style and that in my style. So I was just connecting the lyrics to more of parenting. And yeah, I did say I'll come with blank slide, but I thought little support with the topics. So these are the topics that we have done so far. I thought I just make a list of that. So introduction of multiple intelligence, then environment at home, connecting with the child, feelings, the buddy up with feelings, and brain gym, appreciation, and in how to talk so kids will listen. We said feelings again. We did engage cooperation. We spoke about punishment. And then we went deep into facilitations, beliefs, art appreciation, integrated learning, reflection, brain gym, freedom and responsibility, motivation, planning, observation. So since almost 10 months, we've covered in detail these topics. So I thought it was good what last week we decided. We'll just take a pause here and just step back and see. Like last week, we were talking about reflection happens when, learning. Once again, Skanda, that's disturbing me, that sound. That sound is disturbing me. Sorry. The reflection, we discussed that the learning happens when we reflect on the experience, right? So we've been discussing, going deeper in many topics. So I thought, why not just take a pause and then reflect on those experiences. How much are we able to implement? Where I'm getting stuck? Where else do I need to revisit the topic? Which other topics do I need? So how about just as Smriti was saying, what is the topic that we want now today, and whose responsibility is it to decide which topic is it? What topic do we want to do? And Chetan was talking about the carrot thing. So you wanted to revisit that topic, something like that. We'll just go back and see which are these topics that we have done so far. I want to go a little deeper, a little touch base. Or maybe say anything about any topic, any session that went and it still stays in you, lingers in your head. So I think initially we'll just little talk about so many things we have discussed. There are so many topics we have covered.
Or if you're not able to connect with the name of the topic, any of the games which you played or any of the experiences you remember in the entire sessions, probably if you share that, then we can connect it to the topic and we can discuss. Because when I read all these topics, I was like, okay, we covered so many, and I am not able to recall the slides apart from few of them.
Okay, you missed the day of planning. You want to talk about that? Okay. Actually, when I was making the list of this, I saw that some of the recordings are still not in the playlist. Some of the topics which we have done, recordings, I don't know, either missing, either we have not uploaded. So we have to look into that part. I think planning, okay, I'll make a note of it and then we will come back, Savita.
For me, I still have the issue with communication or listening skills. I mean, my child still lacks that listening skills, like or the way I should communicate. There is a gap there, I see, and it is still in progress. So
Today, very frankly, me and Ranjani have not prepared anything. We are keeping it impromptu. We are keeping it raw. We are going with this whole. I mean, you will be driving the whole session by your questions, by your observations, by your sharing. So I have actually no slide. I have a blank slide after this.
Can I suggest something?
Anything, Lakshmi.
Yeah, so I was wondering, we have covered so many topics and we have been in this journey for so many months. What if everybody comes up, like the way Sanjana did, comes up with one area of struggle, and probably for us, it's very difficult to even connect to the topic. So we don't know how to categorize the problem also.
Yeah.
Because
yeah.
yeah, if we knew that, probably we would have found the solution only. So so what if we tell you the problems we are facing, and as a group we will see how it goes.
Okay. Okay. I'm writing down whatever you're saying, and then we'll. I've written down all that you guys have shared so far. Smriti, you shared about what was the thing you shared? You're on mute. You're on mute.
Yeah, thanks. I was talking about the song, and later I mentioned in similar lines to what Lakshmi suggested. just
Same
now.
thing, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. 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 So I had a thought, actually 2-3 thoughts I had. One thought was, who is responsible for learning? I think freedom, responsibility, we went through that in that. I am responsible for my learning. I am responsible for what I want to create. I am responsible for where I am. And this is applying to us and to our children. That's what we discussed in freedom and responsibility. So in MKP, what is that I want to create is what one topic I thought I will also ask you all to think about. And the two, I was thinking, can we see, it's been 8-10 months of journey, right? We reflected how to reflect last 2 weeks. Can we reflect on where was I on the first session and where am I now in terms of environment, in terms of feelings, in terms of listening to the child, in terms of communication, in terms of connecting with my child or with myself, in terms of motivation, in terms of observation. We might not be at 10, but am I at 1, 3, 4, 5? So have I moved from 0 or -1 to 1, -1 to 0? I thought first, before you going to a problems, it should not become like you ask a question and then we just go into the problem. I want to also bring it to our awareness that there is a growth in last 10 months. Probably we need to little acknowledge that, see that, because we human beings are very, very good in being critical about ourselves, right? So before going to the topics that you all are suggesting, I felt let's just reflect where I was in terms of MKP only. I will take because the topics that we have covered. So the first session till now, we have been 30, 40 sessions now. So from there till here, what is the journey in all the different topics that you guys are sharing and asking about? What do you think? And I just thought about it. I didn't think beyond before. I just,
Yeah, that's also good thing.
sorry, could not hear you, Chetan. That's
Yeah, that's also good thing to see where we started and where do we stand. So the progress path.
Yeah. Because when I was listening to Sanjana, I just was thinking that have I improved or have I not improved? How much am I working on it? So I was just thinking, let's all of us just reflect for myself. How am I with my child? How am I with learning aspect? How am I with appreciation? Whatever, you can take the words from the ones which we have done itself. And everybody can just share and let's see how it goes. And Savita, I think planning, I will share a little more. Maybe I can also share the recording with you. It was a little more detailed conversation about how to plan a day that would help you to do it with Sadvika. So that topic I'm right now parking aside.
Okay.
Yes, Sanjana.
Yeah, though I'm not, I'm not doing complete justice to the things that I've learned, but I'm making a conscious effort to be aware of my actions and my kids' actions.
Okay,
Yeah, I would need time, but still, that is there that I'm conscious about it.
great. You're bringing the word conscious. So can we say in conscious parenting, how much do I rate myself? When I say I'm conscious, I'm not there, but I'm consciously aware of my actions, about my what I'm doing, what I'm not doing, I'm choosing, not choosing. So I'm aware, you're saying. So in that, from 1 to 10, how much do you rate yourself?
7.5.
Awesome.
Last time when you spoke, you mentioned about listening. I also wanted to check the language what you are using. Is there for all of us? The language what we are using
Yeah.
to communicate with our children, is it any different now?
Yeah. So I think all of us can share, like Sanjana said, 7.5. In conscious parenting, everybody rate. In language, everybody rate yourselves. And then listening, how much are you listening to yourself? Rate. How much? I think I'll put it in the slides so all of us here. So first one, we are rating ourselves 1 to 10 in conscious parenting. Language used. Listening. In listening, I would say to self, listening to child. Yes, somebody was saying something. Was somebody saying something? I heard some voice. Yeah, you can rate yourself probably in chat window or maybe just say it out loud.
Language used means what?
When this language of how to talk to children or whatever the language when we were using with the child, some of us shared that this is not the language I use. I think Ranjini can little say more about that.
Yeah, any difference in the traditional, like we addressed some of the dialogues what we were using on our children was what we were grown up with. We heard it, and by default, we were using the same language with our children. And we spoke about it, and we tried to prune a little bit. Instead of saying this way, we started telling in another way. That I meant.
Maybe like descriptive appreciation.
Communication,
Communication, should I say, instead of language used? When it comes to observation and when it comes to appreciation, when it comes to alternative to punishment, there were different languages we
Yeah, everything.
discussed about.
You're saying
Yeah.
it's not only communicating, it's the language what we generally use. Have we changed it?
It
Yeah,
shouldn't, I mean, it's not that
For
you have to
example,
change.
ಏನ್ ನಿಂಗೆ ಅಷ್ಟ್ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿಲ್ವಾ ಅನ್ನೋ ಬದಲು, okay, can I understand what is happening?
Chetan, you're saying conscious parenting 8, communication 7.5, listening to self 7, listening to child 8. Yeah, you guys can make a note for yourself as well. This is for you to more to reflect for yourself.
earlier while communicating, I just communicated what I had to. I never thought with a child's perspective. So now I even give the reason why I'm angry or why I'm not okay with it, with that. So that is one change that I see.
Yeah, that's the
I mean,
language Ranjani is talking about.
that
Yeah.
I have practiced,
Mm-hmm.
but still I would rate 6 on that.
Okay, 6 for your language. Okay, I'm seeing in the chat window as well. Lakshmi says 4 in conscious parenting, communication, expression, acknowledging 5, listening to self 5, listening to child 6. Savita says 8, 8, 9, and 7.
And has the verbal diarrhea stopped, or it's on medium, or it's on low?
what is it?
Verbal diarrhea. Go ahead, Smriti. You unmuted.
Right. Yeah. So actually, I wasn't able to come up with any numbers, so I thought I'll talk.
Sure.
For me, it's more of a transformation in an analog kind of a fashion, which I cannot actually digitize and put it in numbers. So for me, when I started with the MKP journey, it was more like I was in a dilemma because my perspective used to be different from my parents or anybody around me. For example, if there is rings, this stacking game, right, to put the rings, I was never telling anything when Samiti was doing in a different fashion or putting small ring first, bigger ring she's trying to put later. But all people around her, they were saying that you have to put this first, put this later, things like that. So I was even before MKP, I was actually against it, that there is nothing like you have to do it this way. It's like how they want to do it. If you force anybody to do it in one fashion, they will never ever explore any other ways. It's the kind of perspective I had in my mind. But I guess MKP made it more stronger for me. It's not just that what I think about it, but it's also from the discussions that we had, a lot of in-depth things we discussed about these topics made me a strong parent, and now decision taking and what I should do, what I should not do, it's much clearer to me than previous. Yeah, that's all I have.
I was looking for a better word than self-confidence as a parent. I did not like that word. But then what I meant was like strong and not fear of parenting or doubting my own parenting. Maybe little more, okay, maybe I'm heading in the right
You
direction. So I didn't
you
know
can
what else
write
to
it
put.
as acceptance of whatever parenting, right? Acceptance, whether
Acceptance of where I am.
whether it's wrong. I mean, you're not judging, no, whether it's wrong or right.
Right, but
Learning,
I still face this issue wherein when I cannot stop people from doing that around me. I'm still juggling up with, should I do that? Should I not do it? Should I even care about it? Let she take care of it, because anyways, when she exposed to outside world, people will be there like that. So I'm still thinking what I should do. Probably that will be one of the topics we can discuss sometime.
Sure, sure. So
I
it
have
is
a
like,
word for that, Smriti.
Please, Ranjani.
A new word I figured out. It's called quietude,
what?
like attitude. So you remember the end of a tude. I put it as quietude.
Okay. What would that mean?
So that's what you were saying, no? Whether I should jump in, whether I should whether I should jump in and stop other people do, or should I let them do, and all that. So I came across this word called quietude. I sometimes write it on my hand because I'm also learning through that thing. Sometimes I really feel like jumping in and trying to fix and all that. So this word is something just stopping me and just letting me stand there and watch. Unless somebody is getting hurt, some major thing is there for me to attend. Until then, I just stay quiet and see. That is what I'm practicing now. I thought
Okay. Sure.
So acceptance or confidence, where I am, from where I was to, in terms of parenting, of course. It can be not in just terms of parenting, in terms of self also. Yeah.
Actually, it has helped me in resolving many issues, small, but it mattered for a long time. There was a complete changeover, I can say, from a particular person in the family. Completely. I only feel now I lost so much time. I could have changed much earlier, like that. That is a very good change for me to notice.
I'm going on adding as and when you guys talk. Uh, um, please rate according to you. Okay, when Savita said change in one person in the family, even if that person is not attending MKP, so I was thinking, how about the ripple effect of my learning, my journey on my family, my community. I think that also to some extent connects to what Smriti was saying. Should I tell people, not tell people? Should I tell them to be quiet? Should I tell them to do it, not do it? So I'm just leaving it open. I'm not giving any answers, Smriti, but I'm just saying the ripple effect of this journey.
One thing while we are reflecting, so when this topic came, like,
Little
Chetan, your
louder.
voice is very feeble.
is my voice okay now?
Yeah, now it's
Yeah.
better.
So when this transition thing came, so how we started, or 7-8 months back. Okay, when we started, like, I was not fully like confident, like I may get problem solutions or whatever it is. Like at that time, main problem was like the kid is not coming to me, or she's always telling, I don't want daddy, I don't want daddy, or she's more attached to mom. So my thing was like, even I want to help, but the kid is not coming to me. What can I do? I can't do much because I want to help, but she's too much pushing me. And just for the giving the transition thing, uh, day before yesterday night, there was some ad coming in this TV where some lady will suddenly get 6 hands. I don't know, Atta or some MTR. She'll start making different things, and the kid asked me like, what happened there? So I told like she has multiple hands because she has to do a lot of things at one time. Similarly, for you, we have to give bath, we have to drop you school, we have to feed you. So even if so, mummy should, if you have, mummy had this 6 hands option, it would be nice, right? I told. Then the answer was no, daddy should have it. So that's the big transition. Yeah, after we discussed this, there was a little contra thing which clicked her mind when we discussed and laughed. And for 2 days, then again she went back to movie. But now, other than that, unconsciously she is. I'm enjoying with her, and a lot of problems have been solved, like that puppet acknowledgements. Okay, I published that blog. Yeah, one thing I would to say, like I was not sure even at that point of whether that will solve or not. But immediately after I don't know, I wrote the blog, and within next day that problem is gone. She'll not cry for her mommy on the bed in the morning. So now she'll get up. I don't know, multiple factors might have helped, but that problem is solved. So looking forward to have solution one by one. It's now clear, like depends on how we act, and it's not like same. And if I try the same appreciation with some other thing, it may not work also. So different things need different tools, and the learning is fun. I think parenting with fun, this all these sessions have done real justice. Okay, so that's what my transition here has been.
Thanks for sharing, Chetan. I was thinking, are we celebrating the transition? So that's why I said on not just transition, but celebrating the transition. I am not there yet. That's okay. I'm not there yet. But then I am from there, I'm here. Am I celebrating that step, 1 step, 2 step, 3 step, the transition that all of you all are sharing? So why not celebrate that? So are you celebrating? Rate yourself.
Chetan, I want to see this in your drawing.
Yeah, sure.
When you were describing,
And maybe
I was getting yourself in the pictures. So I really when you find time to do it.
yeah, maybe another blog of your transition as
Yeah,
well.
and put that up with a blog and tag all of us.
Sure,
Please.
sure, will do.
Please.
Yes, others, please share. I hope you all are rating yourself. I don't see you all sharing on the chat, but I guess you're doing it in your own way. Okay, I think a prompt I was thinking so that all of us mm, reflect. I'm just stopping sharing here. And a small game, okay. Since MKP I have is your first statement, okay. And you can just say one word or one sentence, and then next person says. There is a loop. Okay, so I'll just type the names. Who will go first? Smriti, then Chetan, then Purna, then Sanjana, Savita, Lakshmi. Okay, so your first sentence is, since MKP, I have dash, fill in the blank. And then next person will say that, and next person, next person, next person. Go ahead, Smriti. You all can unmute and
I just
share.
missed it. Kid was disturbing here. Asking was disturbing. So we just have to tell since MKP, what is the change? Right.
I have, whatever. I have done this. I am doing this. I have changed this. I have not changed this. I am using this, and whatever comes. I don't know, whatever comes.
Not in continuation with previous person. It's just up to you. Right.
No continuation, just
No
for
continuation.
yourself. Random, whatever comes to your mind. But we can
It
just
can
go
be
like
one
this.
or
tuck, tuck,
more
tuck,
than
tuck, next
one.
person.
All right.
We'll come no more than one, Ranjini. Only one. We'll come back again in the next circle.
Oh, the loop. Okay.
Now,
Yeah,
how
the
are we
loop will
making
come back
sure
again.
not-
Yes, Smriti, go
How are
ahead.
we not making sure? I mean, how are we making sure we're not repeating? It could be the same thing, one
That's
person,
okay.
whatever has.
That-
Okay, great.
No problem. As long as it's true for you, it's okay.
Okay. Since
Go
MKP, I
ahead.
have become better version of myself. From alpha to beta.
Okay. Okay. Chetan?
MKP, I've become a more fun-loving father.
Okay, Purna? Can't hear you, sweetheart. Can't hear you.
Since MKP, I found myself.
Okay. Sanjana, quickly, Savita, all of you unmute and start. Don't wait for me to call. You can just go on.
Is it that I'll have to tell, or somebody else can give my feedback, like my husband?
He will tell for himself. You will tell for yourself. So
He's
we
not
can
attending, Samita.
right now, you tell then about what you feel.
Srinivas there with you?
Yeah, he is.
Okay. So whatever he wants to.
He will also say.
Yeah, both of you.
No, I have not attended a MKP sessions, Sunita, but I like what she will be giving what your people discuss and all. So one thing I want to tell, like, because she is not
Okay.
ready to speak, so I'm telling, I have seen really she has so much of self-realizations happened in Sanjana, which I tried from 10 years, but not possible, but happened in 8 months.
Please, enough.
Oh.
Sanjana.
Okay.
Good compliment because
Sanjana, you take care of Srinivas. Srinivas, you can take us for an ice cream treat.
no, what I mean to say is sometimes like because normally she don't speak, but nowadays she speaks about what she learned and all. See, it's not the first time she attended any sessions. Like she used to attend so many sessions for an office and all, but he was never really impressed with it. But she participates actively in this every week, and she gives the feed like what she understood, what she learned, what she was thinking, the approach different. She regularly interacts with me about these sessions. Else she never felt these sessions like this will be useful actually. And now she made them see things. Okay, this approach I was taking, but they suggested the other approach, and I see she is trying those approaches when communicating with Sukrut or trying like. See, normally I have a tendency if a child does a mistake, we immediately scold him or something. But now, like what she is like, goes for reasoning of it, and so that is the approach. Like, so actually, I don't interrupt because you are taught some process. So she's following. So I'll be just quite like seeing. I'll also not scold. I'll wait. What approach you will let her take based on the course you people given.
Yeah. Thanks.
Ripples.
Ripple effect. Okay, Sanjana, I want you to tell me, since MKP, I continue the sentence. Because you have a very strong habit of going into self-criticism, like me. That's what I'm telling you. Share since MKPI dash.
I am aware of my actions, my words.
Okay, Savita, next.
Since NKP, I am better in my communication. Communication here, I mean emotionally communicating to the nearest people I am associated with, my relatives. That has improved a lot.
Okay, Lakshmi.
Since MKP, I have become a child.
Okay. Smriti.
Since I'm KP, I have become a confident parent
Okay.
and a carefree child. I've borrowed from Lakshmi. Thanks, Lakshmi.
Since MK, I've stopped overreacting to others' comments.
Since MKP, I have started listening to myself.
Since okay.
Sanjana, it's your turn after Purna. And I'll not call your name. You only talk.
Maybe I'm finding the need or the reason behind the actions or my emotions.
Savita, after Sanjana, it's your turn.
Since MKP, we are having our own spaces, though we are living in small houses. So.
Since MKP, I have started to love everything and everybody.
Is it me? Okay. Since I'm KP, I have met all these beautiful people who are in the call.
Let's go a little faster.
Yeah, since MKP, I've realized parenting is not just burden, it's fun also.
Since MKP, I got the belief on the people back.
It has given me a chance to think and act like to trust my kid.
Since MKP, learning is fun.
Since MKP, I have found a new best friend in my child.
Riti.
Okay. Since MKP, I have found how to make things interesting, maybe through games or how even the way you are asking questions.
Since MKP, I've been more exploring myself, open to learning.
Since I'm MKP, I have started to get the inner that the thing which are hidden inside me, which I was cemented inside me, that is exploring out, bursting out.
With MKP, it is like I'm keeping a tab on the beliefs I had and whatever I can actually have or shed. I keep thinking on that.
Since MKP, I'm exploring on alternatives for my child.
Since MKP, I have more time for everything.
I'm
Yes.
figuring out what's the loop count.
Go on, go on. First few things are only on top layers. Then there comes the actual ones. Go on. I'm noting down.
Okay. I'm since MKP, I'm finding parenting is fun.
Since MKP, I've realized if somebody is discussing about a problem, it's only their problem they are discussing with you. It's not don't need to link your problem with them and then convolute it and complicate it.
So for me, since MKP, what I have known is I was much worried about the behavior of the kid. So now it has come down. I'm learning. It doesn't matter.
Earlier, to feed and all, I used to do this kind of emotional blackmail, like to scare my kid and all those stuffs I tried. But from last 8 months or so, I have almost stopped all these things.
Kavita.
From MKP, relationship with my spouse has improved a lot.
I didn't know what to tell next. So Amoga says, since MKP, I am not getting body aches and I'm not troubling them to press my legs.
Okay. Interesting. Okay, one last round. Smriti.
I'm not able to get anything actually. No, I guess
That's why
second
one
what.
more.
Yeah, right. I was thinking probably bribing has mostly stopped.
Sorry, I could not hear.
No bribing.
Yeah.
Since MKP, I've started accepting people as they are.
Since MKP then joined with us, with me, there are a ripple effect in the whole family, not only with the spouses, me with Chetan, me and Hasini, even with the in-laws. There are so much of ripple effect. It's even the bonding thing within us and the way of the communication in the house. Everything is improved.
Since MKP, I think before I speak, I mean, I stress on that, thinking that if I talk something, it might pressurize my kid. The thinking of his thinking might be, I mean, what to say? I'm not getting the word. Just thinking from his perspective.
Savita.
Thinking.
You're thinking, okay. And now the deep ones come. the below layer comes. Okay, by the time Savita is thinking, Lakshmi, you want to go?
Since MKP, I have started to keep quiet whenever a dog or a cat passes by me. Else I used to run away. So probably I'm embracing the fear that I had in me.
Okay. Okay, great. Savita, if something comes up, you let us know. What's happening right now? This whole sharing. How are you feeling? What's the feeling meter? Energy engineering course done. Don't tell Sadhguru.
Yeah, I wanted to understand from you as well as Ranjani, how has this journey been to you, and
Yeah.
how do you reflect upon this?
I was also thinking I should also share my part. Go ahead, Ranjani, you can share. Then I'll share.
Since MKP, my research was increased, and like whatever, of course, not that we know something and we are teaching with you guys, we were also learning and implementing, and it was like I had support to implement along with you guys. I was also implementing the being aware of the language, what we discussed. I was practicing it for that particular week. Lot of research and lot of new stuff was bringing up, and learning has multiplied with this particular team. That is more significant for me. Learning along with you guys was more significant.
Since MKP, I realized that I can facilitate. I can come up with topics, or rather, we can come up with topics every week with some or the other topic. We could for so many 30, 40 weeks. And we have evolved the way we started and what we are now. The MKP has evolved. For me, I think my confidence in facilitating online improved. Started everything that happens. Okay, I can bring this in MKP. Okay, this can be shared in MKP. So anything that my children do or anybody does. So that was constantly running, like Ranjini saying, research and collecting data and understanding and learning. So our learning also quadrupled and tripled and tripled and tripled. And since MKP, it was a refresher for us, as Ranjini said, for me as well, in my parenting, in my learning, in my looking into myself. In going deeper in my self-learning as well. So yes, and it feels good that we have been together for last 8-10 months, and every Saturday we could make it happen. And even today with no topic, we are there for 1 hour. That was amazing. So it's nice. Yeah, that's where I was very grateful also. Yeah, so going through this list, since MKP I have going through the list, what did it do to you? I don't want to know the list again, because of course I've written down. Ranjini's also made a note of it. What did it sharing do to you? What did this sharing do to you?
Understand where we are.
Mm-hmm.
It gives us the confidence. Like, so we have done this much.
Sorry, could not hear, Chetan.
Yeah, it gives us a confidence. Like, we have come till here. We have from point zero to come here. So yeah, we can do better, or it gives a sense of confidence.
Realization.
Impact of communication.
Can you say more when you say impact of communication? I did not get that.
Like the same word can have a different impact on different people. uh, if my kid can't understand it, he'll be confused, or his confidence might be impacted, in that line.
I still didn't get
Choosing my
this.
words, it is like making conscious efforts of choosing the words that could be used to specific age. Like I'm speaking to my in-laws, words are different. To my kid, the words are different. So things are like segregated.
Okay, so this sharing of, since MKPI or since MKP, whatever we shared, all this sharing, what did that do to you when it's that experience? What did it do to you?
Brought a change in communication.
That's okay. You're talking about the 10 months or this last half an hour?
10 months.
Now I'm talking about this half an hour right now.
I'm sorry.
Yeah, I thought so. That's why I was understanding when you said impact of communication. Okay, this half an hour when you were sharing, when all of us were sharing one word, what that experience do to you? You can think. We'll come back to you, Sanjana. Anybody else wants to share?
Yeah, I was thinking more in terms of logistics. How when the pace of answers were really slow, on the fly you could come up with a strategy to bring in so many answers in such a short amount of time. So I was looking into that strategy
Strategy of
pulling in more answers in less time.
the question you mean. Okay, but what did it do to you listening to so many things? Manager Smriti came inside.
So I was probably thinking what next I will tell. Probably I couldn't even concentrate what others are saying. So I'll have to repeat the video.
That's fine. Now, after all that half an hour, now what is it doing to you? Listening to different words, listening to yourself.
Yeah, I guess I am in a state of mind since 10 months, in a listening loop. So,
okay, great. Sanjana, Savita, Lakshmi, what did this experience do to you?
Are you sure you're not going to say you're going to end the MKP session?
Never. Don't worry.
Okay. This is looking like a valedictory function to me.
Yeah, I thought she'll give us some certificate.
No, not at all. That is not there in my mind at all. And
Okay.
I'll tell you why I came to that also. And that was again impromptu. Me and Ranjini, we didn't discuss and have all this, nothing was discussed. We did come from an empty blank slide.
Okay, sure.
Yeah, Savita, Lakshmi, Sanjana.
I'm happy that everybody is struggling with their kids. Not alone. I'm not the only one. So every Saturday I experience this kind of happiness actually. It is the same even now, even after the last 10 minutes of answering.
Okay.
I feel we are all more connected now, though we don't know each other personally or we are not met in person also.
Yeah. Lakshmi, your turn. She will be getting some pampering done during MKP. Somebody will be putting some mehendi to her, face pack to her.
No, not today.
Why?
Yes, Lakshmi, share. How was that half an hour of sharing was for you?
I felt good sharing what all changes that have been happening. I also miss to tell that whenever I hear people telling that I'm facing this problem with my child, I need a fix. I feel like people are treating their kids as uh, probably a software that has a bug, and we need to fix it. We need a strategy. We need a design plan and all that. So sometimes I get angry when my even my sister says I have tried all these tricks on him, but they are not successful. Probably I need some other tactics to deal with him. So sometimes I'm feeling I get annoyed when I hear that with all these MKP sessions, but I don't know how to uh, help people realize that there is something like this going on. Why don't you just listen to the recording? Why don't you try to see that there is somebody here to help? So that was going on in the last half an hour, that we are all benefited so far. How can we bring some more people to join us?
Yeah, yeah. Thanks,
You know,
Lakshmi.
Lakshmi, actually, this thought came to my mind when Sanjana was sharing. I was about to ask all of you if you do you get to interact with other group of parents, like, you know, when I was writing down what you all shared, there is some kind of common connect. You know, there was a, you know, a space, a energy where all of us are in the same uh, process, or like, you know, there's some kind of support for each other. And even if when me and Sunita are not able to support you in the group, there is somebody who's driving it, and some kind of thought process is common. And then, you know, it's that backing up for each other is there. And recently I had to take Atharva for his state meet. There, the best thing I could do was to sit and observe each and every parent, and then I was back and forth comparing with the MKP team, and then I was seeing there, and it was a lot of noise. It was really stressful for me to be in that space. But then first day it was very, like, you know, it was very claustrophobic for me to just be around there, and it was all pricking. My body was pricking, and then I had to process myself, and then I came to I think some awareness stuck to my mind on the drive, or probably the sunrise gave me some awareness. I was leaving home very early, like 4:45, 5 a.m. We were leaving the house to the venue, so that sunrise gave me some awareness. So it just told me to see as it is. So when that thought came, and I was just standing and watching each and every parent, so much of belief system, so much of, um, you know, so many things what we've spoken and all that. I mean, some parents are seeing their dreams through their children to you know, be fulfilled. And a lot of especially the belief systems, you know, some of them, then I started having fun with it. It was so hilarious to see some of the belief systems, so it was fun. So I just wanted to check, like, you know, do you get a chance to see, just watch parents, how they deal with the children, how they, nothing that you can do personally other rather than you know, just suggesting them to see some, you know, get into some programs or something like that. But then it's for you to reflect how things work, what the role of parents. You see different you know, colors and different varieties of parents. It's difficult to be with also, but then it's for you to observe and see what else you can explore.
Ranjini, I think what you're sharing is also, when you were reading, these things were also coming to your mind, is what I hear. Anything else you want to share? What this last half an hour when we both were writing down, what did that do to you? Want to share along with what you just shared?
That's what I felt. We are all in that common connect is what I felt.
That was it, yeah.
Somewhere we could support each other, be with it. It's more like a circle
Yeah.
of friends.
Yeah.
How about you?
Yeah, I was thinking, actually, there's so many things we've written down. Oh my God. We never thought that we would achieve these things also through MKP, right? The ripple effect that you're talking about, the spouse you're talking about, exploring your talents and yourself that you guys are saying, trusting, self-realization. Probably when it started, it was not like we will achieve all this, but these are all the result of 10 months togetherness of the team, of the topics, of the deep conversation, of like Ranjani said, having each other's back, being open and sharing with whatever it is. So then also I felt that I am not good. I am not a good parent. I don't know anything. I'm still not learning. I am still not listening. I am still so confused. I am still this. I am still that. So all this, that self doubts that we have, I think somewhere we can, these things are just reminding that, oh no, okay, like Chetan said, from zero, these are the steps I have taken, maybe 1, 2, 5, 7, 8, whatever you guys were rating yourself. So that was just like an acknowledgement. It was like, hello, listen, guys, you're doing great, right? I am doing great. I thought that was also happening in this half an hour. It was beautiful to just listen to, and I think that was one of the reason I didn't want me and Ranjani to say anything. We just wanted to listen to you guys. So it was really beautiful. I have a lot of words here, list of words here. It's amazing to hear that, and I want to share here. Me and Ranjani so many times go through this guilt. Oh, we are talking about facilitating the parents. We are talking about parenting. Am I even capable of doing it? I messed up here. Am I even? I mean, I shouldn't be even talking to a group because I'm not. I failed here. There's so many times we do get those doubts. I'm sure Ranjani will also agree with me when I'm saying that we do get those doubts. But then we have taken few steps to reach where we have reached, and yes, we have some more steps to take. So that was what I was reminded of. To great, we are doing a great job. That's what I wanted to, that's what did to me this whole half an hour. And what Lakshmi said was also another thought I had. It's a nice group that we have built. I really want to spread this to of more people, more children, more parents. Like Ranjini said, when she was seeing some parents, the beliefs that they have, and when I see some children and in the shop, restaurant, wherever I go, when I see the parent dealing with the child, of course I'm not judging the parent, but what goes in my mind is, okay, what are the beliefs the child is taking? What is that the child is concluding on this? What is that the child deciding on this? So these things go in loop in my head. So I want the group's support. You have to tell us, how do we reach more people? You support us in reaching more people. How about having 20, 30 people in a group? How about having the skills of so many people, experiences of so many people, sharing of so many people? Now you guys have to tell me and Ranjani how to create that bigger group. Maybe every week we add one people to, that's okay. But how do we keep reaching more people, keep reaching more people?
Yeah, the thought has come to us to invite many of people in our friend circle, but then the split second thought will come, maybe they'll accept it or not, or they may not take it the same way as we take it, or something like that. And sometimes we have restrained talking to some of them as well. Couple of them we have spoken, That's fine, but that's how it's going on. And when all these discussions was happening, one thing that was running in my mind is whatever the progress of the process, what has happened. One big factor, the X factor, is the community. That's what I feel.
Yeah.
So I would say we kudos to all the people, the community,
Yeah.
keeping it. That has evolved as a strong community.
Yes.
That
Yes.
has helped. That's what I feel.
Yes. +1.
Yeah.
When I started reaching a few of my friends on this, and I wanted them also to be benefited with the change of thought or the perspective and all. But they feel that they are happy with the current belief system, and they feel that the parents, I mean, their parents have brought up, and they are successful, and they don't need any correction. But I always never felt that previous generation or the parenting style I didn't like, but I wanted to bring in a change. But few of my friends, I mean, a lot of contradictory conversation happened, and I stopped doing that. I felt like I am making it more complex, I thought.
Yeah.
Mhm.
One, I don't know, you guys correct me if I'm wrong. When we go with an approach of fixing somebody or telling them that their method is not right, probably it or something will help you, that makes me feel okay, there is something wrong with me. Then I immediately say, no, I don't need it. How about sharing your experiences? Just share sharing with no agenda of convincing them or making them understand. And then they choose when they choose. And there are many people, it's okay. 'Cause sometimes we think that, oh, it has supported me, I want this person to be supported. Yes, I get that. That intention is good. So I don't know. I was just thinking when you and Chetan were sharing, but I also lack of ideas. But yeah, I need your support to only reach. I don't know how else to reach.
Yeah, and what is that you want from us to give, like, which would
Yeah.
help you communicate?
Yeah.
That I wanted to know. And I've been interacting with a couple of people on software where we can, bring this program to as a weekend program or something like that. But I really don't understand how to communicate it to them, because their thought process is very much on the result base. Okay, and this is something which is not scalable, and when I interact with these people, it is like, okay, if I do this, where will I reach, what will I get? Those kind of questions I get back, and I'll be like, what do I answer? That has been my recent experience talking to a couple of them who are, be it MKP or Catharsis. I've been interacting with some people to understand, and then this is what I get to hear. Like, some questions are really not comfortable for me to answer. I will be like, Ayo, how to answer this? Anta, I would feel that. So I really want to understand the corporate language. How is that we need to project this kind of program, yeah, be it Catharsis or Masti Ki Pathshala.
I feel because we, because we have spent a lot of time together, no? Whoever is here, wait on a second.
Sure.
Since we have spent a lot of time, there has been a lot of learning to understand that I'm doing wrong, and learning to understand that this can be better has come up only because we have spent time. So, like Sanjana said, other parents don't understand, means they are not in that space to come and learn at all. they are already fixed or oriented towards something else. They would come up only if something pricks them, or something really puts them down. They may look for alternatives. So you can so if they have to understand what is happening here, they have to really give their time here. I mean, not 1 hour, half an hour, to understand, to absorb, and to actually implement it. So if you are like, I just got a thought when you told me, like, in banks there is a toll-free number available to briefly tell what is exactly available there. Then they choose to understand what is there. Then as they talk to you each time, you can say, example, you charge so much for this call, or you don't charge. You can say, you can pay as you can. I leave it to you. But maybe if they communicate to you, they get to understand there is something else. Otherwise they will not come and tap. But it is not my conclusion. I'm just telling you what I'm feeling. They may not come until there is a problem for them at all. Everything is fine, financially settled, kid is getting first rank, everything is fine. There is no observation. They are not observing or doing, because I saw one parent telling me this. He had come to our house 1 year back, and he has come to our house now, last week. The same person, the way he spoke to me then and now has changed, because something in him has come. He has quit his job, he has lost his job. Now he is observing. You are getting it?
Yeah. I
So
get that.
there is a need, there's something. So, but your program is so good that you don't need to wait for something to happen for them. They understand, no? So if it is reachable, briefly they understand, they get hooked to you for something, then they slowly come in. You should think of something like that, I feel.
Yeah. Good idea, Savita. So when you're sharing this, and when Chetan was talking and about inviting, should we have some gifting some sessions to people, or maybe charge a minimal of money for just one session, which would be invite your friend. So everybody invites one or two friends and ask them that, okay, why don't you come and check it out yourself. Like Savita, you're saying something that they know that, okay, there's another option as well. So there's a
Sorry, tell. Continue.
taster session kind of a thing.
You should not invite them like, parenting session or those things. They will come only to see what was better than the previous session they have undergone. So it should be through Ranjini, I believe. Invite them for art, then take them to something else. Only then they'll see. Otherwise, it's only a comparative analysis, no, which is better. I've already attended, or something.
Okay.
No.
Chetan, I think you unmuted yourself and you wanted to say something. Can't hear you.
Yeah, having like a promo video, okay, sharing all our experiences. So maybe whatever it may be, a problem statement or the transition, not a lengthy one, but just 20 seconds each person talks from everybody, if that's okay for everybody. So having a small promo video just to see if that person, if it creates that curiosity, if he really wants to know more about it, then we can share, okay, here's one of the link which you can just attend one of the session.
Okay.
Some way, that kind of.
Yeah. When you're saying promo video, I'm also thinking about like blog you shared, something like that. If some sharings, one, everybody, if we all give one a week, then we have 6 to 7 a week. Then we can keep posting it every day to create that curiosity. Are you all okay to do that? It can be through video, it can be through writing, it can be through audio. Do you think it's possible? Okay.
While I'm listening to you all, I feel we should bring in something which visually give them the takeaway of the sessions. Correct me if I'm wrong. Will that support?
So yeah, so Ranjini, you're saying when share the learning every week, is it like takeaway you're talking about?
See, some of these topics are difficult to see. It's very difficult to represent a reflection, beliefs, and all that.
Hmm.
So something like what you get to learn.
Hmm. So one okay, I think
Be
what
it storytelling, how different, how can you use storytelling in different ways? Can you use storytelling with your children? The based, I mean, we start with the skills, and then we can take it further with parenting. Is what came to my mind.
When you were sharing this, the other thought came to my mind. When we are sharing the learning every week, it's not about the topic that we have covered. It can be any takeaway from that I'm doing from last 10 months, whatever we are sharing now. Like the body ache is also something which Lakshmi shared, or community that we shared, not panicking for the behaviors that somebody shared. So, I mean, it can be around these also, some few lines when you were sharing about takeaway.
That can be covered in the blog. I'm saying, I'm thinking more of promo video. It will be a short video. So what is the takeaway which would interest them? You can start with the skills because it is easily, you can showcase this is what you get to learn and all that.
As
The
far as
other
I understood what Chetan said, promo video is every MKP people who are there, everybody talks 20 seconds about their learning in MKP and create curiosity. Correct?
Yeah, that goes as testimonials.
Okay. So
Saying with
promo
that
video,
promo
you're
video,
saying this one is skill.
what I'm saying is totally different. In promo video, we can bring in the takeaway as skills, is what I'm saying.
Okay. So there are two different things, right?
Yeah.
Then this makes sense, right? Like if, for example, you're saying storytelling. This is more of you're saying providing value through promo video to parents. Alva?
How can you creatively use storytelling with your children? How can you creatively use art with your children?
Yeah, so that means you're providing value to them, so that inspires them
Take
to
a skill
come or
defined
not come.
topics.
So what I'm thinking actually from the corporate perspectives or any place where the training has to be conducted, right? I guess it won't work out if you go on a weekly basis or some time basis. I guess probably in a day, 2 hours or 3 hour session. If the same thing has to be conducted, how do we do that? Such things would actually help in corporate words.
It
Because
can
in the
be
company,
one-off sessions. In
right?
corporate, it can be one-off sessions, only topic-based.
Right. So it's like in the company that I work for, there is really a lot of importance for mental health. So how do we achieve mental health through all these topics? What are the top 5 or top 10 topics that I can cover in 3 hours or 2 hours? So something like that, if we can tailor these topics for a particular customer, whoever is interested in, probably that will have a lot of ripple effect. If some people take it, then it will start. It's like a nuclear reaction, right? It keeps on going in a logarithmic fashion.
tailoring the topic is not an issue. Reaching the company is the issue.
So I guess we can all take up whatever the
Hmm.
company that we are working for or the connections that we have. Those things we can take up, but for that we probably need those promo videos and those things to reach. The brochures, how the topics are tailored, all the specific details, number of audience it can take up, all the registration fees and everything. So if you have all the details.
Smriti, repeat what you said. What all details you would need?
In terms of topics that are being covered, right? And if there is the registration fees, if it's needed, I guess the company will mostly take care of it. But I guess the company folks would need to know about it because they'll get that comparison data. And the audience, how much audience you can have this available for. And what's the granularity you can go for? Can you have it for 1 hour? Can you have it for 2 hours, 3 hours? Probably if we have all these details, then it will be easy to reach to the ops team in the company and talk about this, because we have personally witnessed these sessions. We'll be the ambassadors for this. But if you have the information, it will back us up to talk more on the same.
Sure. Probably I would need some volunteers for like promo video, helpline number, what Savita said. We can put it in every sharing blog video that we put. We can always say that you can reach up this number if you're stuck anywhere with the parenting. That can be there. Testimonials, like one volunteer to make sure that you collect the recording from everybody and then collate it and make one video of it. And then one more person who can make sure that every week everybody is given one sharing. So if we have some volunteers from the group, that would be great.
Smriti, I want to understand what is the company doing with respect to mental health? What are the programs they are bringing in with respect to mental health?
Sure, I can take up that action item and come back to you.
How does the whole system work? Because I don't know, some of my friends are putting me across to some people to discuss this, but if I understand the system, it will be easier for me to talk to them, because I know where they are coming from. We could not understand where they are coming from. So if you support us with that information, so probably keeping that in mind.
As far as I've seen, I had attended one of the mental health session, and things like people were talking like they were not able to sit in a team gathering. They were not confident to sit in a team gathering. And with the mental health session and meeting the psychologist and everything, they were able to instill the confidence in them and able to achieve a lot according to their perspective, something like that. So it's more in terms of that mental health perspective, where they had to go through some therapies and doctors and everything, where they have to boost their confidence, come back to their normal things like that.
So these therapies were more of psychologist based, is it?
Right. Yeah. They will go through multiple sittings to come back to, and there was also an issue, like one lady was saying that in the early childhood, she had gone through some problems, which she only uncovered when she was going through different sittings with the doctor. So kind of that. People come out of their problems or things like that.
So in anything unconventional which is done?
I don't think so. As far as I have known, I'm not sure. There were only people talking about their experiences, how they could, they were talking so much about their personal thing also. I guess that requires a lot of confidence to come out and talk about such things. But I guess what they have gone through is multiple sittings and done this. But if they haven't shared any other unconventional things, then I would not have information about it, and I would not be able to get that information also if that exists also.
No, I meant, see, this is all done by clinical psychologists, right?
Hmm.
What we do in catharsis is through art we do, and it is all of self introspection and reflection, and then there are some traces of things what they find, and they wouldn't be they will not be even aware of, which would bring awareness, and then they choose whether to keep that particular quality in themselves.
Right. I
This is
understand.
what we do in catharsis. So how to bring this up more when I meant unconventional through art,
Hmm.
could be through art or through games, uh, through playing also it can be done.
Hmm.
So here in your office, it's restricted to online, is it?
Because it's this time, right? I joined this office very recently, so I don't know how it was conducted earlier. But because this is a COVID-19 pandemic situation, it was all online.
Okay.
Okay, so it's already 4:40.
4:40.
So can I have some volunteers for this? That would be good to follow up and take some actions and help us with that. Who will be wanting to take up promo video? You can, we are your assistants, me and Ranjini. You have to ask us, we'll do it. But then you have to make sure you get it done. Sorry, somebody said something. Okay, who wants to go for collecting the videos from everybody, the testimonials, and then making it as one marketing video? Okay. You have to volunteer. I would not know whom to choose.
I can do. I want to pair up so we get more ideas.
Sure. Who wants to do with Lakshmi? Marketing video testimonials. Okay, as of now, I write your name, Lakshmi. And you make sure, buy ice cream and make sure you join, you get some more people.
I'm joining without ice cream.
Okay. Right. And weekly, who will make sure that you will get one testimonial, sharing from everybody?
Yeah, I'm just asking loudly, thinking aloud, that are people okay to share their personal stories in a blog?
Okay, good question. Who all are comfortable, who all are not comfortable?
Right, because these sessions are getting recorded. Probably people are comfortable talking about it, but I just want to reassure and understand if that's okay from everyone.
So when we say sharing, here we are talking about like it can be I was going with my child to the market and my child asked for this and this is what I did, like Lakshmi shared a couple of times. So if it's not very personal, if it's something to do with parenting, it's something to do with bringing some thoughts, some questions which you're only pondering. Okay, I have these questions. Will that be okay?
Yeah, that looks okay.
Things like
probably you.
Things like probably the art of acknowledging. That's the simplest thing we would have started, and we would see immediate results in children. So the art of acknowledging or the art of listening, something like that. you can tag along with your experience and write a blog or share.
I mean, you decide how much you want to share. I'm a person who's very vulnerable. I share everything. So you have to decide which is your boundary, and each one of us decide that boundary for ourselves, because it's you who is giving us, and there's no force or pressure. And it can be in any form that you are comfortable, in form of a story, in form of a joke, in form of audio, video. Yeah. Does that answer your question, Smriti?
Yeah, it does.
Okay. So one volunteer to make sure this work is done. You don't have to do it, you have to get it done. Purna, you want to do this? Just keep messaging everybody. I didn't get this person's writing. Can you do that, Purna?
Sorry, Sunita, I didn't hear. We had a noise here.
Okay, okay. Can you take up the role of reminding everybody to give one sharing a week? One sharing in any form. Can you do that?
It can be any form. Is it either blog or story? Or...
Yes, any form. Blog, drawing, illustrations, story, anything. You have to make sure that everybody gives from the MKP.
So these things we can start, tagging on LinkedIn, so that, something like this, some program like this exists is what we want to bring it out.
So maybe Purna, I'll put you and my name here. You can make sure that everybody is giving the writing or whatever the learning, and then I can collect it. I can put it in the MKP blog, that blogger account we have, and then we all can share it in status, LinkedIn, Facebook, Insta. So every day, one or the other thing about MKP goes in. People at least understand, okay, there is something called MKP, like Ranjini said. Yeah, Purna, okay to work with me?
Okay to work with principal.
Okay.
Yeah. No principal only. Where principal?
So are you asking like each one of us would write something every week?
One a week? Is it
One
okay?
a week in total.
One a week? No. One a week for Smriti, one for Chetan, one for Purna. But together we have 6, 7 of writings, because
Just that
everybody is taking
That's
one.
for how many
building the
weeks we plan to
library.
do?
Sorry?
That's for how many weeks we plan to do that?
We can collect few, and then we have some content ready so that we can keep using it. I mean, then it's just that one a week I will keep in mind, so that, okay, this incident I can write about, or can draw about, I can sing about. So we'll see how long it goes. At least then we have 5, 6 a week.
Okay.
Yeah. If this week is really hectic for you, you couldn't write, but still we have 3 or 4. Yeah. Okay. So connect
So
with
basically
company.
it's for like sharing, alternate days of sharing, where small Mastiki Pathshala is happening. So we'll create, crowd to pull towards the website or whatever. Srinidhi is working on the website part of it.
So
probably we can
when it
tag
comes to promo video, of course, we still need promo video, some volunteer. Ranjini and me will take up this giving information, so that you guys can approach the companies.
But don't you think it has to be run through a professional who's good at making ads and things like that?
Okay.
Because that will be the interface for
the
us
whole
with the
thing has to
external
be
world.
packaged. The whole thing has to be packaged, but if we start having the content, then we will be able to package it. So as of now, we'll be creating the library of any of these
Pairings.
stuff, and then we bring in somebody who can package it for us.
Okay, that makes
You
sense.
you think weekly one is difficult, Smriti?
For writing, what one?
Yeah.
Actually, weekly, except this time, I'm not free any other time. Every week. So that's the reason I was thinking when I can get time. Especially this pandemic situation is hurting. Still, I don't have a maid and cook, so things are quite tough. So I'm thinking that could be the case with others also.
Okay. Okay, no problem. We'll see how to go about it. It can be a video about your child talking and you and your child doing something together also.
Yeah, I understand. Yeah, when there are
So, we'll
different
see.
art forms you mentioned, probably I thought it could be a bit easier compared to what I thought.
We will try doing it, Smriti, and then again we will come back after 2-3 weeks and then see, is it working, not working, is it stressing? Yeah, don't pressurize, of course,
Yeah,
too much.
definitely,
I completely
definitely.
get it. And there is no expectations, no judgment, anything.
Right.
If it is done, not done.
Right.
Only
I
thing is,
guess if we look back in our WhatsApp group, there should be already some 2-3 which is there. In terms of
yeah, exactly. Yeah. And only thing I'll ask is I'll ask some chocolate or ice cream or a hug, and that's it.
You don't have to ask that. You will get it.
Chetan is trying to get us together for an ice cream party. We have not been doing it for the last 3 weeks now. So Purna also said we'll have an MKP with ice cream.
I was like, my focus will only be having on ice cream.
Okay, I think it's 4:50. I'll put this in the group so that whatever we all
convert this whole PPT into a PDF and share it off.
I don't know how to do. You have to do it for me.
Download it.
I tried last time also. It didn't happen, Ranjini.
Illilva, save as file.
Illa, this is the drive, so I couldn't do it. It's in the same drive that we have. You can, if you can do it for me.
So also I was thinking for the topics which do not have anybody assigned, how do we go about them?
Let's see if somebody is still thinking. Somebody will get back to us. Chetan ran away. I'll catch hold of him for one work. Promo video or where? Lakshmi and Smriti are here, right? Smriti is doing here.
Chetan was about to take up promo video.
Okay, great. See, we have.
And you have mentioned art, and what makes you think he will not accept that?
And also, if possible, just figure out what are the holistic programs the companies are, taking up for the mental health.
Yeah, this is the 7th point. All working in corporate companies get this.
In Mindtree, they especially give women health for women's and women health. And there is one app, one-to-one help. Even when I was mad, I just went through, but not much into that. So I'll go research into that and I'll see and I'll come back.
Yeah, because it's all about the language and packaging it. Once we are able to do that, we'll be able to get people.
Purna, I'm adding Sanjana into your group, and I'll add Savita and Lakshmi somewhere. Oh, Lakshmi is there, but I'll add Savita somewhere. Is Savita there? Yeah. Savita, ಎಲ್ಲ ಹಾಕ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನ?
Writing ಅಂತ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ.
Writing ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ಲಾ? Writing, everybody will write.
Anyway, everybody will be doing.
This is getting the work done. That is what I'm saying. I think promo video nimmanna Chetan.
You are doing your work ಅಂತ.
You'll make sure everybody is doing the work or not. Yeah, okay. Okay, Savita, that's the best job for you.
Team
I
leader.
will- Okay, where I'll mention Savita, team leader, makes sure everyone does their job. And Savita, your job is give some job to Nikita.
Okay.
Sushma also.
So I put Nikita here. Yeah, Chetan and Nikita, good team. Okay, Savita, please go ahead. Make sure these people, all these people whose names are there, they do their work.
Okay.
Not this one.
What about Yashoda?
Yashoda is missing from months. Yeah, Sushma is there. Yeah, Sushma is there. Today only Sushma was not there. So where can we put Sushma? Savita, find job for Sushma and Nikita.
Delegation.
Yeah, okay. Not allocate, not delegate. Thanks. Something to
No, I was
Sushma.
saying like Savita would delegate that to somebody.
Okay, so Savita will delegate delegation to somebody. Okay, Savita, Sushma, and who else?
Nikita, you already.
Oh, okay, Nikita's already done.
Sushma.
Okay, done.
And the rest of them are not attending.
Most of them are not attending, so yeah. Okay, thank you guys. We'll see you all next week. Next week topic. Actually, I think from now on, I'll have one more person who will give us topic every week. Or we decide the next week topic right now so that I don't have to think. But yeah, whatever topics you guys have said, one of them I've written is listening. Do you want to work on listening next week? Or choice, non-choice, or self-criticism? 3 topics I've given. Choose. Ranjini, you have any topic?
I have 2 topics in my mind. One is projections and something to do with drawing, like visual communication.
Okay. Now you have 5 topics to choose from or give your own topic.
Yeah, I'm giving the 6th topic.
Go ahead.
Yeah, I guess I already brought it.
Intervention of others.
Right.
Yeah, I've written it down.
Awesome. Thanks.
Anybody else? But then give me one topic for next week.
I guess.
My goodness, I want to compliment the group that, now no more we are getting topics like de-diapering, utamado, gadget weaning, all these things are not coming.
Okay, Lakshmi is saying listening. Anybody else listening? Actually, why I'm not taking the intervention is that topic will be covered in many other topics. So that's why I'm thinking, should I take that as a separate topic?
Perfect. Yeah,
Probably
no question.
we can keep it.
Keep bringing it every week.
Yeah, wherever possible, we can bring it.
Yeah, we keep.
Wherever possible, you can bring it up.
Yeah, every topic, wherever it is suitable, we'll just keep bringing it. And I like Hasini. What are you eating, Hasini?
I'm hungry.
Hasini, I'm very proud and I'm very happy to see that you're sitting and listening to all of us talk. Thank you for supporting your parents. Attend the session.
No issues, no issues.
Okay, so Lakshmi is saying listening. Should we go with listening next week? What others say?
Sure.
Okay. Chetan and Purna.
Chetana.
Purna and Chetana. Chetan and Purna.
Sorry, what was it?
Any topic.
I
Topic.
guess you were renamed in a ladies group.
Chetana, we renamed you. Yeah.
Rename me.
We have topics: listening, self-criticism, projection, visual communication, choice, no choice. So Lakshmi said listening, Smriti said okay
For next week.
for next week.
Your communication should be good because I have thought of it. One day we want to have just communicating with actions without having any hearing about any either from Purna or Hasni. So only action we have to communicate. I am dreaming of having that one day or 4-hour session in a week. Or something.
Visual communication, it's a drawing thing. I'll make it clear.
Oh, okay.
Not
Whatever, yeah.
acting.
Drawing is also fine.
Theatrical, maybe Sunita, it just gets you another topic. Theatrical.
Okay, Ranjini, we have to decide listening or visual communication.
Visual communication, I want to do after projection.
Okay, then listening next week. Done. All
What is
so if all-
projection, by the way?
huh?
What is projection, by the way?
ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ.
Okay,
graphics
so
gap
all are
bರುತ್ತೆ.
listening. Who's talking next week?
I don't know. Okay, it's 5 o'clock. Bye, guys.
I am hungry. I skipped my lunch. I want to go eat.
I have another session at 5 now. So bye bye. See you.
Bye bye. Take care.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.
Ranjini, you have to convert it into PDF from the drive.
Yeah, I'll try doing it.